Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raksha. So today we are making two delicious dishes using keema. We are making keema cutlet and keema curry. So these recipes are perfect for flavorful meal and evening snack. So let's get started. So I have seen few people not washing keema, but however I prefer washing them. Then I put it in the strainer so that the water is drained out. So this is step 1. So this is for masala. So put some oil, cinnamon, cloves and pepper, and then add some onion and garlic. Then 2 spoons of coriander goes into it and fry a bit till the raw smell is gone. Then add ginger and coconut. Fry them for 2 minutes. Then add tomato and coriander sticks I'm using because these are flavorful. You can also use some dill leaves and some mint here. However, if you add that, your masala is going to be in green color. So today I don't want to make green masala, so I'm just skipping those greens. So my step 1 is done now. So masala is ready. Just pulse the meat so that it gets the nice flavor, and add some salt and also a bit of masala in it. Bengal gram is for binding. So what I'm doing now is I'm just separating for keema cutlets also in this. So some onions goes for the keema cutlet. This is basically I'm making for my baby, so the spice will be little less. Some coriander and some dill leaves. I don't add any potatoes in this. However, I just add chickpea when I'm making the cutlets for us. But how this cutlets has been made for my baby. So what I'm doing is I'm adding some makhana with dry nuts powder. It helps in binding and also it is healthy. I then add some chili powder and pepper powder. Here goes my makhana with the dry nuts powder. Since we don't add water while grinding, the breakage is very less. Cutlet part is ready. So if you put in a freezer, you can store up to 1 week and so. For the minced meat, you can add some flavors, some salt, chili powder and some chickpea flour and dill leaves. Then start making the balls, keema balls, and just keep it. In the other pan, just put some oil, onions. Sometimes you get the bones from the butcher, so you can add them here so that they give the nice taste. Add the keema balls in the oil and fry a bit. Fry for 2-3 minutes and then add the masala. Make sure you add the spatula very carefully or else there can be a chances of breakage. Snacking in between, so I was feeling hungry. And this is avre bele. So initially I should have put this in the oil. I bought the keema because I had this at home, but however I forgot. I've heard many people saying that postpartum moms are forgetful. They have the tendency to forget few things. I'm not sure if it is true, but recently even I faced some time. So if you have any remedy or solution for overcoming this, so let me know in the comment section. So coming back to my recipe, so curry is almost ready, and for lunch it's rice and the ragi ball. So ragi ball goes well with the non-veg curry, so do try sometimes when you get a chance. So this is my curry, and this is the cutlets which I made for my baby in the evening. And that's it for today. So with one simple keema we made two delicious dishes. Do try the recipes at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you.